Is the Google Messages QR code not scanning or refusing to connect? In this tutorial, I'll show you several easy fixes that can help. We'll check your phone, browser, internet connection, and pairing settings so you can connect Google Messages for Web successfully. Start by refreshing the Google Messages for Web page. A new QR code will be generated automatically. If the previous code expired or failed to load correctly, this simple step often fixes the problem. Next, make sure both your Android phone and your computer are connected to a reliable internet connection. The pairing process requires both devices to stay online during setup. On your Android phone, open the Google Messages app, tap your profile picture, then select Device Pairing. Use the built-in QR code scanner instead of your phone's regular camera application. If the code still won't scan, increase your screen brightness, clean your phone's camera lens, and hold the phone steady while keeping the entire QR code inside the scanning frame. Older versions of the Google Messages app or your browser can sometimes create pairing issues, so check for updates, install any available versions, then try scanning the QR code again. If you've connected many computers before, remove any old or unused paired devices from the device pairing screen. Then generate a fresh QR code and try connecting again. And that's how to fix Google Messages QR code issues. In most situations, refreshing the QR code, updating your apps, and creating a new pairing will solve the problem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful technology guides, and thanks for watching.